just picked up a brand new chip which might be worth trying. Okay. So it's from Wildroots, real foods for real people. I hope I'm real. USDA organic. So let's take a look at it.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
If you watch my channel, you know that I like sambra. This is red roasted hummus. It's one of my favorites. I use it all the time, especially for chips. This one's almost gone. Alright, so it says on here, organic tortilla chips, gluten-free, non-GMO, whole grains. Working a lot more on the gluten-free since people are asking me what kind of foods can I eat. A multi-grain chip made with flaxseed, red quinoa, and chia. Red quinoa is a protein. It says on the back here, it's got 100% whole grain, it's gluten-free certified, and it's Oregon tilth. I don't know what that is. It says right here on the chip has got chia, red quinoa, and flaxseed, and it shows you something in the middle. So Wildroots is crafted for your lifestyle. Great tasting and satisfying with ingredients that are better for you. That's because we start with our old roots, simple quality ingredients like whole grain, seeds, and nuts. Okay, the nutritional information is 18 chips is 130 calories, 7 grams for fat, 0.5 saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol. So if you're having trouble with cholesterol, these are good chips to use. Total carbohydrates are 16 grams, dietary fiber is 2, total sugars is 1, protein is 2. And the ingredients are organic whole grain corn, organic high oleic sunflower oil, and it goes on. And I'll put this in the front. Now let's open it up and taste it. Mom, you want some chips? Okay, scissors. Now if I cut the bag from the top, then I can roll it over and I can use little clips and it'll keep the bag fresh. So when you open it up, it looks like this. We just took one chip out. I'm going to taste it without. Okay. It's sturdy enough. You could use salsa. So for my snack, I'm going to chomp on these. So think about it. If you have celiac disease or you're having trouble with gluten, this is the chip you need. It's a good looking chip with the chia seeds, and it tastes good too. And it's strong enough so that you can easily put it in a dip. If I can do this with, I should be able to easily put in salsa with it. Okay, so you can see that I folded it up like this, and I'm just going to use this chip. Thanks a lot for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. I'm going to eat these right now. Okay, so 7 chips. will give you 130 calories. That's not very much. But I would definitely bring this to a party. Because it's gluten free. A lot of my friends have gluten allergies. And it would give them something to eat. And on top of that, it's a delicious snack.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.